Are you a beginner who wants to get fit but is afraid of making a mistake? According to a study by the American College of Sports Medicine, 70% of people who start a new workout program give up within 6 months. One of the biggest reasons for this is that they make common mistakes that can lead to injury and ultimately quitting. Don't worry, watch this video till the end. We will show you the 7 most common mistakes beginners make when they start working out and how you can avoid them. By avoiding these pitfalls, you can get fit safely and effectively. Number 1. Beginners oftentimes avoid consulting with a trainer. Hey, have you ever considered having a fitness consultation when you start out? I get it. Walking into a gym and seeing a personal trainer can be a bit intimidating. It's easy to think, they're way out of my league. But trust me, skipping out on that initial chat could mean missing out on a golden opportunity. Think of a fitness consultation as meeting a guide before a hike. They've been there and done that, and they're excited to help newcomers like you navigate the path. They're not just about muscles and showing off. Instead, they're passionate about ensuring you make the most of your time in the gym. Even if you're thinking, I'll just meet them once and that's it, that one chat can be a game changer. It might just be the difference between aimlessly hopping from one machine to another and having a clear roadmap to meet your goals. So give it a shot. It might just be the best decision for your fitness journey. So friends, what do you think? Isn't it important to speak to a fitness trainer first? Number 2. Expecting a quick result. You know what's tough? The early stages of any fitness journey. It's like waiting for water to boil. At first, it seems like nothing's happening. And that can be disheartening. A lot of beginners start to go to the gym and hope for instant magic. They imagine a few weeks at the gym will erase years of bad habits. And shockingly, many throw in the towel just moments before the magic starts to show. Look at it this way. If you miss a gym session, you won't suddenly gain weight. Likewise, one session won't give you those dream abs. Just because you don't see results immediately doesn't mean nothing's happening beneath the surface. There's more to fitness than just a reflection in the mirror. From the get-go, exercise begins to rev up your brain by boosting blood flow. That's a win you get from day one. So remember, good things take time, and with fitness, sometimes the unseen benefits are the most impactful. Number 3. The comfort zone. You know what's easy to fall into? Patterns. It's like setting your playlist on repeat. After a while, the same song loses its spark. Here's the thing. Doing the same thing repeatedly and expecting different results is kind of like chasing your own tail. The same applies to the gym. If you're doing the same exercises day in and day out, not only will your body stop responding, but you'll also likely hit that dreaded fitness plateau. Now, think about the gym versus a fitness studio. The gym is like an all-you-can-eat buffet. There's so much variety, and that variety can keep things exciting and shake up your routine, making sure your body doesn't get too comfortable. Plus, a dash of novelty can reignite your passion for fitness. So next time you're at the gym, dare yourself to switch things up. Dive into a group class, pair up with a personal trainer, or even just hop onto a new machine. Trust me, your body and mind will thank you. Number 4. Going all out too quickly. Hey, ever tried sprinting before learning to walk? Sounds silly, right? Yet that's what many do when they hit the gym for the first time. Here's a heads up. If you're new or getting back into the groove, expect your muscles to whisper, "Hey, what was that all about?" Yes, a bit of soreness is the body's quirky way of saying it's experiencing something fresh and needs a moment to adjust. Listen to that subtle hint. It's like your body is singing a little tune, reminding you to ease into things. Instead of charging full steam, maybe take a step back and chat with a trainer. A simple question like, "Hey, I'm new here. How long should my workouts be?" can set you on the right track. After all, going all out right away is like pressing the gas pedal with no brakes. And trust me, the last thing you want is to be benched with an injury just when you're starting to enjoy the ride. Number 5. Solely depending on machines. Do you ever think about how much we depend on machines? Of course, they're super helpful, but not always. Take gym equipment, for example. A lot of it's made for people of average height. So if you're taller or shorter, it can be awkward to use, like trying to fit into clothes that just aren't your size. Now, let's talk about weightlifting. Using machines can feel limiting, like coloring within the lines. Free weights, on the other hand, gives you freedom. It's like doodling wherever you want on paper. Machines do have their perks, though. Cable machines are like the superheroes of the gym. They're a mix of the best things about machines and free weights. But you know, variety is the spice of life, so why not mix it up? Use some free weights, add a few machines, and make your workouts exciting. Number 6. Working out alone. We are social creatures after all. Studies show that people who work out with a friend, in a group, or in a social setting are more likely to reach their fitness goals and stick with their routine. In one study, people who lost weight with a partner were twice as likely to succeed as those who went alone. And those who participated in the social component of the study were 42% more likely to keep their weight off. So if you want to see better results, why not make your solo act a communal effort? You can find a social atmosphere at a cross-training class or a fitness boot camp. Or you can bring a friend to the gym and use your gym's buddy program. Working out with others can be more fun, more motivating, and more supportive. It can also help you stay accountable and on track, so don't be afraid to ask for help. You might be surprised at how much better you do when you're not alone. Number 7. Befriending strength training. I know what you're thinking. You're afraid you'll bulk up, but I'm here to tell you that that's a myth. Weight training is not going to make you bulky. In fact, it's one of the best ways to lose weight and get in shape. When you lift weights, you're building muscle, and muscle burns more calories than fat, even at rest. So the more muscle you have, the faster your metabolism will be. That means you'll burn more calories throughout the day, even when you're not working out. Plus, weight training has a ton of other benefits. It can help you in the following ways. 1. Build strength and endurance. 2. Improve your balance and coordination. 3. Reduce your risk of injury. 4. Improve your mood and energy levels. 5. Boost your self-confidence. So don't be afraid to pick up some weights. You won't regret it. Here are some tips for folks that are new to weight training. 1. Start with light weights and gradually increase the weight. 2. Focus on compound exercises that work multiple muscle groups at once. 3. Lift weights for 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions each. 4. Take a rest day between workouts. And most importantly, have fun. Weight training should be challenging, but it should also be enjoyable. So find a workout routine that you like and stick with it. So, friends, are you making any of these beginner gym mistakes? If so, what are you going to do to avoid them? What advice would you give to beginners who are just starting out their fitness journey? Let us know in the comment box below. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.